Hello everyone! My next videos show the real van journey with a 5-year-old kid. And finally, I can test the 2 years van conversion nightmare on a 7,000 kilometers trip. There are bad and happy moments, some dirty rolls with the van, and of course, unforeseen accident, as always happens to me. And this is the plan from Budapest to Gibraltar and then back. We usually slept at gas stations next to the highway because I wanted to get Spain as soon as possible. And of course we ate at the gas stations as well. There you can see a delicious chili con carne lunch directly from a can. The gas stations in Italy were really crowded. I found this place for the night after 1.5 hours. And some cute moments. This was inside, we tried to sleep. Why outside was this? But you know, who is tired sleeps no matter where he is. In the mornings, we always stop in a beautiful place for eating and playing chess. And finally, we arrived at Spain. This is our first night without gas station. We had lunch at IKEA because I had to buy a few things what I forgot at home. We arrived at the amazing Gibraltar. This magical place made us really happy. We could swim, play, walk and just talk to each other without any pressure. After these magical hours, I searched a night spot on Part1 and this is what I found. This place is next to the national park. There is a pub and a tiny grocery. Preparing for dinner from fresh local ingredients.